And here we go with this tag team match. The team that picks up the first pinfall or submission wins. And it's swept out front. What impact delivered from that toss.
Uh-oh, this is bad.
If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars.
And Swagger blocks it.
Ooh, a skull-crushing impact. That move will knock the wind right out of you. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries. Matt Swagger from Perry, Oklahoma, is a two-time All-American from Oklahoma University.
Yeah, Swagger loves to brag about that great amateur background. And he uses some of those moves in every match. That's what's made him famous.
Oh! And he falls hard to the mat. And a shot to the solar plexus. Swagger's extremely arrogant, but there's no doubt that the All-American can back up everything he says. He set an NCAA record with 30 pins in one season.
It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one. Oh, with Swagger's amateur background, it's so hard to outmaneuver that young man.
And just tossing him to the ground.
Watch out here. Ooh, nothing pretty about that. Oh, no! What is this?
WWE fans watching this match all around the world. Big move coming. He's in bad shape. He's got to make the tag. The tension, the drama. This is electric. We got a tag.
Oh, nice counter. Super catches here in the WWE Universe.
Look at this. Look at this.
Watch it.
Cover here. And he stops the count. And the shoulders come up. Blocked.
Oh, a great counter.
And there's the count. He thinks he has it.
One. That wasn't even close to three.
All the damage to the torso, all the pain that's been dealt, appears to have finally taken its toll. And now he's back out on the apron. And Icon comes up with a counter. Ziggler with a nice mat-facing takedown. His ground game takes a toll on you both mentally and physically. Ziggler has a very high IQ. He has a pre-law background from Kent State. So you know with that background, he's game planned very well for this matchup. And the ref sees the tag. Another slam. And look at Ziggler capitalizing. Tag team contest underway. Both of these teams have been very dirty so far. Whoa! And he fights his way out. Ziggler a bit quicker on that exchange.
We know what this is. Here he comes. Let's get more painful than that. Uh-oh.
Off the top rope.
Ooh, that's flying off the apron. He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match. Oh, look at the emotion. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
Devastating shot to the spine at that.
Heads up. Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
What impact from the Samoan drop.
Oh, out of nowhere. Wow, look at this.
Debilitating impact to the spine and back. And the ref starts to count. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Uh-oh, this is bad. Oh, man, how do you beat an opponent that can do that to you? Oh!
And again, the mind games are played.
A pile driver like that is not something you just shake off.
And there's a tag. Will it be? 1, 2, 3. Icon wins. Thank you.